Lightweight design. Weighing in at only 8.5 ounces, 240 grams. G335 is smaller and lighter than the G733. Features a suspension headband to help distribute weight and is adjustable for a customized fit. All-day comfort. Soft memory foam earpads and sports mesh material are comfortable for extended use, so you can take your gaming to the next level in style and comfort. Plug and play. Quickly jump into your game and simply connect with the 3.5mm audio jack. These colorful headphones are compatible with PC, laptop, gaming consoles, and select mobile devices. Headset controls. The volume roller is located directly on the ear cup to quickly turn up your game or music, while the mic can be easily flipped up to mute and move it out of the way. Impressive sound. With 40mm neodymium drivers, the G335 computer gaming headset delivers crisp, clear stereo sound that makes your game come alive. PC and console compatible. This gaming headset with microphone is compatible with PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and Nintendo Switch with 3.5mm audio connection. Vibrant colors. G335 over-ear headset is available in multiple colorways, each with its own vibrant reversible, washable elastic headband and corresponding memory foam earpads. Discord certified. This Logitech G wired headset is Discord certified, ensuring crystal clear communication performance with amazing sound and voice clarity for all your gaming endeavors. Top reviews from the United States. Quality comfortable wireless headset. Pros. Long battery life. From a full charge, logged 9 hours while working from home and had 77% battery the next day. Great for those who may not be using this headset on a daily basis, or those who are and forget about charging daily. USB-C charging connectivity, A to C cable supplied, high quality, long length. Lightspeed dongle is small and discreet. Comfort. YMMV. I am a male in mid-20s with a medium-sized head. I think, after a few days of playing around with the ski band placement and earcup position, I finally found a setup that worked for me. I have stud earrings and found some higher positions of the earcups were originally pressing on my lobes and causing some discomfort. Switching the band to the larger position and bringing the earcups down allowed me to seat everything nicely without any discomfort. Wore the headphones all day while working from home and forgot I wasn't wearing my usual headphones, Beyerdynamic DT770. Which are my top choice for headphone comfort. Logi G Hub connectivity, customizations are decent. Simple volume, mic volume, sidetone, hearing your voice through mic with no latency, audio EQ customization, with presets and custom settings. Doesn't look super gamer y. A good plus if I need video on during a professional call. Flip to mute mic is great. I don't like having to deal with a removable mic or a fixed mic. The hardware-based muting of the G535 mic is convenient and easy and doesn't require much finger dexterity. Allows me to mute on Discord or Teams while AFK. Volume wheel and power button are smartly and intuitively placed and sized. Only a couple times have I accidentally brushed the volume wheel with the hood of my sweatshirt, but this only clicks the volume up a notch or two.